Hi, in this video I will show you how to show FPS in the NVIDIA app, enabling FPS Counter. So first, launch the NVIDIA application. After opening the application, you'll have to make sure you're logged in and the app is updated to the latest version. Now, click on Settings gear icon at the top right, and here scroll down to the Overlays section where Performance tools are located. So, this is the in-game overlay. Click Settings here. So make sure that this is turned on, that is in-game overlay. After you turn it on, click Settings icon. Now choose HUD layout. Now here you'll have to click FPS Counter option just right here. After you select it, it will show up the position where it will be located. If it's turned off, simply choose one of these positions, whether you want it to be at the top left of your PC, top right of your PC, bottom right or bottom left. I will place it at the top left. Now, as you can see, FPS counter will be shown just like this. After you do this, just go back and you would have successfully enabled the FPS in NVIDIA app. Here, you can enable FPS counter just like this. So, that is the simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.